Here's a question asked by Hiro Tomioka. Bro, why you don't wear streetwear? You only wear simple t-shirt and suggest other for streetwear. Whatever that t-shirt pairs you well. I don't know what the last line means. If you want to say that suits me well, then thank you. Otherwise, I don't know what that was. But let me tell you something. I stay in Pune from like 2 years now. All of my stuff, all of my clothes are in Pune, okay? And from the last like 2 months, I'm stuck here in Aurangabad. I want to go to Pune, but I can't because of some reasons. Unless I don't go to Pune, I don't have a lot of clothes available here. I got a few basics and some sweatshirts and some other clothing items. But let me tell you something about the weather in Aurangabad. It is very unpredictable. Sometimes it's kind of cold, but sometimes it's but other times it's super hot. So I actually can't layer my clothes. Even if I want to, I can't wear my sweatshirts, I can't wear my hoodies while shooting because I have to turn off all the fans in here so that they don't interfere with my audio quality. And yes, I do have an air conditioner, but it's in the bedroom. And if I shoot it over there, you will have a lot of echo in there. So don't worry, in like a few weeks, in the coming few weeks, I'll be shifting back to Pune and we'll have a brand new studio over there. So don't worry about that. I'll show you my entire closet. Hello ACGs and welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, shout out to Susie Franson. Just take a moment and read that comment. I hope we all get a girlfriend like her. Or if you are a girl and you are into girls, then that's what it is. But you are forgetting Triple N. And no, he's not a cousin of Triple S. That is me. It's No Nut November and don't forget about that. So use this time to find yourself a date if you don't have one. And utilize this time properly. Ask your crush to go out on a date with you. Get laid in the next month. But if you're like, Triple S, I don't know how to speak to a girl. मेरे crush को देख के मेरी फट जाती है. Alright, take it easy, don't worry. I'll start a dating series of how you can gain your confidence and ask out girls on dates and how to not turn out to be stupid and boring no matter what city you are in. No matter who you are, no matter how you look, your boy will get you laid in this coming year. But if you just want a simple relationship, don't worry, it's fine. It's fine to have a relationship. And LGS. Let's get started. Or should I say LGH? Let's get high. Before filming this video, I smoked 1 joint and ate 2 pot brownies. I might not look that way, but I'm super baked right now. Marijuana, weed, stuff, mal, ganja, jari booty, hemp, cannabis. You might be familiar with these names and wait, you already know about mal and ganja. You already know about it. Like, why am I explaining this to you again? You already know about it. It's the OG of the OGs. Someday even Kanye West will need an introduction. But ganja, it has a separate fan base that goes back more than 5,000 years. What else is 5,000 years old? Ayurveda, that is 5,000 or more than 5,000 years old. Ayurveda openly states the miraculous benefits of marijuana on the human body. Apart from being high, you don't get high, you get medicated.
You don't get high, you get medicated.
Nowadays, instead of solving suicide cases and murder cases for that matter, police is after the people who smoke weed. And those are one of the sweetest people in the world. Not everyone, but most of them. Look at how sweetly Deepika Padukone is asking on the group. Hey, mal you have? Aww. And for the last time, it's not a drug. It's a goddamn plant.
क्या दीपिका drugs लेती है? दीपिका पादुकोण बताइए.
No, she doesn't. Unless if you're speaking anything apart from weed. Then she might. Just like 133 million people out of 248 million people did it. So it's like more than 50% of the population, of the human population, has smoked weed at some point. So yes, in that case, bitch. But by now we all know that smoking weed isn't the best way to consume marijuana, mainly because of the smoke. So today we have top 5 marijuana/hemp products. And let me tell you, they're not exactly the same. Hemp is a term used to classify varieties of cannabis that contain 0.3% or less THC. That doesn't really make you very high. Before starting, here's the disclaimer. We don't and we are not promoting the consumption of marijuana really in any way at all. And we don't feel the need to age restrict this video because the kids need to know this as well. Kids are not stupid. They need to know this shit. Or else when they grow up, they turn out like me. And if for some reason YouTube age restricts my video, or it just straight up deletes the video, then YouTube and the people working in YouTube are none other than chapri.
कहाँ से आया ये talentless chapri?
They're the chapriest people on the planet if they do that. You see how much guts I have? I'm calling the people from YouTube a chapri. On YouTube. This is an educational video. So इसी के साथ भोले बाबा का नाम लेके let's get started. Wait, I already said that. What am I high on?
Burning behind me is 8.5 tons of heroin, opium, hashish and other narcotics.
This is a DIY product. You can't get this in the supermarkets. You have to make it on your own. And take a lot of risk as well. So it's not really for every single one. It's Canna Butter. It's exactly what you think it is. Cannabis infused butter. And let me tell you, this is the only product on the list that you have to make it by your own. You can't find it on the supermarkets, at least not in India, unlike the other products which are available online. So yeah, that's the only problem with this one. But this is my favorite product of them all. For obvious reasons. This is the best way of consuming marijuana. It's to directly consume it through food. And it does not have any drawbacks at all. Because there's no smoke. You just use it like your regular butter. Just spread it on your bread and eat it. Or you can make brownies with your canna butter and eat it. And this is the third brownie I've had. I'm gonna be super high. Let me tell you, it's so strong. But it completely depends on how you make it and what proportions you get into it. For me, half a spoon, if I add half a spoon in my food or anything, I'm like high for like 4 or 5 hours straight. That too not that sleepy wala high. It's a very nice high. You're very energetic, and really nice and relaxed. It's really amazing. But the recipe matters the most. I have the best recipe that I do it myself. And if you want the recipe, join our Discord group right now. I've shared my complete canna butter recipe on there, so you can go and make your own canna butter. The second product on our list is CBD oil. You might be familiar with CBD oil, you might have heard it somewhere or the other. CBD oil is basically cannabis oil. Here's how I'd put it. It's like the healthier alternative to rat kill, which instead of killing you, helps you sleep better, helps manage your anxiety. It's anti-seizure, neuroprotective, gives you pain relief, and a lot of things apart from it. Here's how you use it. It's very similar to the way you eat your gutka, which you keep between your lower lip and teeth. Oh, okay, you don't relate to that? It's just the chapri people. I'm very proud of you ACGs. नशे भी कर रहे हो तो महंगे वाले करना. Say no to सस्ते नशे. Oh. You basically put a few drops below your tongue instead of directly consuming it, and do it before you sleep. It could work differently for different people, but I really suggest you do your own research and do it on your own, not just because I've suggested this product. It doesn't make like a day or night difference. If you have these little bit of sleep issues and stuff, it could help you, but do your own research before getting into it. The third product on our list is the thing that you just throw out without even giving it a second thought. It is the thing that you think if you consume it, it makes you infertile. / nulla. It is hemp seeds. And let me tell you, hemp seeds do not make you infertile. Hemp seeds are super nutritious. Compared to other seeds, it is way more packed with nutrition. It is rich in protein. It is filled with unsaturated fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids. It has fiber, minerals, and vitamins. And it's really good for your heart because omega-3 fatty acids. No wonder this product is marketed by the name of Hemp Hearts. But whoa, chill. down. Don't straight up eat the seeds that you separated from your smoking stash. It's fine sometimes if it is that A1 quality weed, but for your general weed that you get locally, I won't suggest you to straight up eat those seeds. Buy it from the link in the description. I've provided all the links in the description, whatever products I'm mentioning here. So go in the description and buy from them. And it is not a sponsored video in any way. It is just my opinion. The fourth product on the list is Hemp Sativa Bhabi. Hemp Savita Oil. Hemp Sativa Oil. It's the fourth product on the list. Another amazing product, but it's not a substitute to your Japani tail. But it's really good in its own way. You can use it just like you use your face serum. It isn't really oily and does not leave any residue on your skin. It's super thin and light. It just immediately your skin just absorbs the oil. It helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and even acne scars. This one suits to almost every skin type, alright? If you have a dry skin, it will moisturize your skin. If you have oily skin, the essential oils present in this one will balance out the oil production on your face, on your skin basically, and keep your face less oily. Just apply a little bit on your face to get rid of minor skin problems and be high for the next 3 hours. Just kidding. It doesn't fix all of your skin problems. And it doesn't make you high. Please do not consume it. Just apply it on your skin. The fifth and the final product on our list is like your friends with benefits during winters. It is Hemp Chapstick. And it might be the only friends with benefits that helps you pleasure your friends with benefits with your soft, luscious, kissable lips. This one that I'm using is from the Body Shop, and it is exactly what it looks like. You apply it a bit on your lips, taste it a little bit, and voila! Your lips are super soft and kissable, and you got a bonus of 2 hours of high. Got you again. But again, this is just a normal chapstick that is infused with cannabis. Because when you apply this and kiss someone, she or he will fall in love with you while being high. Got you again. Look at your face. No one is getting high with these products except for the first one, but look at that face. I got you for the third time. Why am I being a chapri?
कहाँ से आया ये talentless छपरी?
No, it's just a normal chapstick with hemp infused with it. Because why not? Whatever products you use, if you have hemp in it, it's automatically cooler. Even if it is like a product that was 100% cool before, now you added hemp into it. Now it's like 169% cool. You see how that works? And that is all, my Ganjedi friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why you liked or disliked this video in the comment section below. I am super baked. Super baked. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this and join our Discord group, the Anti-Chapri Gang Discord group, to submit your submissions on the Chapri Style Mistake video series. Get more style suggestions on that Discord group. It is very well organized, very well done. You can get any answers for any questions. It's a huge community, so go join that Discord group right now. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned below. It's at StreetStyleScape. You can go follow me there and talk to me directly. I'm also on Snapchat where I share some personal stuff. So if you're into it, add me on Snapchat. I'm also on Twitter, so go follow me at StreetStyleScape on Twitter. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching again. Stay stylish, ACGs. Triple S out. Oh my god. What am I high on?